Hi students, today I am going to start the grammar topic, note making. All of you open your textbook, page number 264. I will read the passage now. Here one exercise given. Renewable energy sources are being used all over the world. Renewable energy sources are being used all over the world. All over the world, renewable energy sources are being used. Nowadays, total world is used. Renewable energy sources means not depleted by used. Brilliant minds have devoted their lives to finding resources that do not leak greenhouse gases into the ozone layer and which do not cost large amounts of money. Brilliant minds have devoted their lives to finding resources that do not leak greenhouse gases into the ozone layer and which do not cost large amounts of money. Here, from renewable energy, kinds of energies are given: hydro energy, solar energy, wind energy, energy from biomass, and energy from biogas are variable alternative source of energy. These are some of the kinds of energies: hydro energy, solar energy, wind energy, energy from biomass, and biofuels are variable alternative source of energy. They are clean source of energy and have low carbon emissions compared to conventional source of energy such as fossil fuels. They are clean sources of energy. All these are very clean and fresh source of energies and have lower carbon emissions. Carbon emissions are very low compared to conventional source of energies such as fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are called conventional source of energies. Compared to this one, the above sources very lower carbon emissions. What's more, the energy generated is nearly 80% renewable. Here, 80% renewable energy is generated from these energies. This is the first paragraph. So, in the examination, you will read like this. Read silently. Harness the power of moving water to generate electricity known as hydroelectric power. Now I read the second paragraph of the passage. Harnessing the power of moving water to generate electricity known as hydroelectric power. Here, harnessing means control and make use of. Harnessing the power of moving water to generate electricity. Here electricity is made from water. That is we called hydroelectric power nowadays. Is the largest source of emission free renewable electricity worldwide and has been used all over all the ages. Overall ages. These largest source of emission free energy, that is called hydroelectric energy. Renewable energy, this is used all over the world, that means worldwide, and has been used over the ages since a long time. For the long term we are used this energy. Solar power is another excellent energy resource. Here, solar energy, all of you know that solar energy. Solar energy is made from sun. Solar energy is another excellent energy resource. The sun gives us free rays, so why not use them as a power resource? The sun gives us free rays, so why not use them as a power source? Solar power is trapped by special rows of panels which take in the energy of the sun and provide power from the homes. In places which are windy, another energy is made from windy. Powerful wind turbines have been constructed to provide energy. This is called wind energy. The turbines are big towers with 3 prongs which are pushed around and around by the wind. These prongs are pushed around and around by the wind. This produces energy. The largest wind farm in the world is in Denmark. Here we have the largest wind farm in the world is in which country? Denmark we have. This is the second paragraph. Now we will start the third one. Biogas is a powerful, popular source of energy in some countries. Nowadays, we see biogas. That means gaseous fuel. Biogas is a popular source of energy in some countries. In Vietnam, cow and pig manure and waste is washed into a drain where the gas is allowed to be gathered through pipes, then leak into a large bag. In Vietnam, cow and pig manure. Manure means here animal dung. Cow and pig manure and waste is washed into a drain where the gas is allowed to gather through pipes, then leak into the large bag which is situated above the stove. The methane from that pig manure we produce methane. Methane means the gas produced by the cow and pig manure is the stored and used as fuel. In Vietnam, methane is used then in that country as a fuel. This processor is environmentally friendly as there is no need to extract it. Now another gas is biomass. Biomass fuels used today come in the form of wood products. Biomass is made from wood products and dried vegetation, crop residues and aquatic plants. Biomass is made from dried vegetation, crop residues and aquatic plants. Biomass has become one of the most commonly used renewable resource of energy in the last 2 decades. In the last 2 decades, the biomass has become one of the most commonly used renewable source of energy. This is the passage. Like this, you will read that passage in the examination. After that, from this passage, we find the specific information and we will get all over the idea of that passage. Now we will make notes. That means we will make notes. ఇట్లా ప్యాసేజ్ మొత్తం చదివిన తర్వాత మీరు ఆ ప్యాసేజ్ నుంచి మొత్తం మనం నోట్స్ తయారు చేయాలి. నౌ ఇన్ ద ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పుట్ ఆన్సర్ హియర్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ టైటిల్ put the title first. Add a suitable title to that passage. The title is Renewable Sources of Energy. Beginning of the line. First paragraph, beginning of the line is given. The title. most of the passages. You will find the title from the beginning of the line, in the first paragraph. See here, first point. Here we make notes putting headings and subheadings. చూడండి, మనకి ఆన్సర్ మొత్తం చూస్తే మీరు మనం నోట్ మేకింగ్లో ఈ నోట్స్ ఎట్లా తయారు చేసినామంటే హెడింగ్స్ సబ్హెడింగ్స్ పెట్టి తయారు చేసినాం ఆ ప్యాసేజ్ నుంచి. హెడింగ్స్ అండ్ సబ్హెడింగ్స్. సీ హియర్ ఫస్ట్ వన్, రెన్యూవబుల్ సోర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ, క్లీన్ లో కార్బన్ ఎమిషన్. దిస్ లైన్ ఈజ్ టేకెన్ ఫ్రమ్ దట్ ప్యాసేజ్. ఆ ప్యాసేజ్ నుంచి ఈ లైన్ తీసుకున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ లైన్, కీ పాయింట్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్యాసేజ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫస్ట్ కీ పాయింట్. సెకండ్ వన్, heading sources, water, sun, wind, biogas and biomass, 80% renewable. This is heading. Now subheadings, kinds of energies. How many kinds are there energies? Here see, first one, hydro energy, first kind, from water, largest source of renewable energy. Second one, solar energy, from sun, solar panels trap energy. See subheadings. Next, wind energy, from wind, gali, using turbines, wind energy. Fourth one, biogas, from waste of animals, methane converted to energy. Next, fifth one, biomass, from dried vegetation, crop residues, etc. Like this you will write neatly notes, preparing notes from that passage. ఆ ప్యాసేజ్ నుంచి మీరు నీట్గా మీరు నోట్స్ను ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలి, హెడ్డింగ్స్ సబ్హెడ్డింగ్స్ ఉపయోగిస్తూ. See here, all headings and subheadings. Energies, hydro energy, solar energy, wind energy, biogas, biomass, all these are taken from that passage. So we'll continue this topic next video. Thank you.